In this video, we're going to talk about managing worksheets. The first thing we're going to do is insert a new worksheet. Now you see I have 2023 sales highlighted. So to add a new sheet to the right of that, I'm going to click on New Sheet. And then you can see Sheet 1 is entered. There is a keyboard shortcut where you can press Shift F11. And as you can see, it will put in another sheet. You can also put in multiple sheets. If I want to put in 3 worksheets, I'm going to hold down Shift to select multiple sheets. And I can right click, choose Insert, and then click OK. And because I had 3 sheets selected, I now have 3 more sheets. Let's reorder these worksheets. So I want to move 2023 sales in between sheets 4 and 5. So I'm going to click and drag. And when the triangle goes in between the 2 sheets, I can just let go of the mouse. We can also use the mouse to create a copy of a worksheet. So I'm going to create a copy of 2023 sales by clicking and dragging. And before I let go of the mouse button, I press Control on my keyboard. And you can see the sheet of paper now has a plus sign on it. And once I let go, I've created a copy. Both of those options are also available in the right-click menu. Now I'm going to right-click, then I'm going to choose the option Move or Copy. Now the reason you might want to use the dialog is you want to move it to another workbook or even to a new workbook. So if I click the drop down, you can see I have another workbook open. I can move it to that one. It pulls up the sheets from the other workbook where I can put it in the right order. And also, I can actually create a brand new workbook. You also have the option to create a copy by checking this box. So I'm going to click OK. Now I have a third workbook open and the sheet has been copied. Now let's look at deleting worksheets. Now to delete a worksheet, I can right-click on the sheet and choose Delete. We can also delete multiple sheets. Now to do that, I'm going to hold down Shift and then click on Sheet 4. Now I want to delete Sheet 5, but since it's not next to the other sheets, I'm going to hold down Control on my keyboard and then I can click on Sheet 5. Now I can delete them all at once. Now you notice there was no prompt asking me if I was sure. Now that only happens if you don't have anything on the sheet. If I go to this sheet that has data on it, it will ask me first. The final thing we're going to talk about today is organizing worksheets. We're going to name the worksheet and also apply a tab color. To rename the worksheet, we're going to double click the sheet. Now it's highlighted and I can type in the new name and press enter. Now we can also color code our tabs, which is nice for when you're sifting through multiple tabs, you can zero in on a particular color. To change the tab color, I'm going to right click on the tab and then choose a color. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.